Ever wonder what your K610 drone can and can't do? Let's break down some key features and quirks you need to know before your next flight. So, if you're flying the K610 drone, this video will save you some time, battery, and frustrations. Let's get into it. So, here's a quick heads up. If you're using the screen recording on your phone, you won't be able to use the drone app at the same time to record. So that means your footage will only be as good as what's on your cell phone screen while you are flying, and you'll miss out on all the footage that your drone is picking up. I learned that the hard way, and this is what I have. And my drone footage is way better than my screen recording footage. So let's talk speed control. We have two methods with two different settings of options. So if you're using the app, you only have two speed levels, 50% and 100%. It's simple but limited. If you're using the remote, the left trigger button, you have three speed controls there. Each level comes with an audible beep. One beep equals slow speed, two beeps medium speed, three beeps equals high speed. If you want finer control, the remote is your best bet. Let's walk through the follow me function in the app. Open the app, connect it to your drone just like normal. Tap the follow me icon on the right hand side. The drone will lock onto your location and track your movement. This is great for hands-free shots. Just make sure your surroundings are clear because your drone will just fly into whatever's there. I noticed that the drone does try to keep you within the shot, but it is just bouncing off the app and trying to keep you in location. If the drone was lower and the camera was pointed straight at me, it would follow me a lot smoother, a lot nicer, but it's way in the air right now. To turn off the follow me function, all you have to do is tap the icon again. If your battery goes too low, you will get a low voltage warning, as well as the icon on the screen will say 25%, and it is going to be accompanied with a beeping from the remote. And so you will hear that kind of constantly as you're flying, but you are still able to fly, but you are not able to use some functions like the circle me, track me, or the follow up flight path. And when the battery gets too low, it will turn on return to home mode and it will fly back to its point of origin, regardless of what you try to do with it. Hopefully, you found this useful, and maybe some of these tips or tricks will help you in the future. Thanks for watching.